Hey everybody, Matt here from the all-new Blackjack Harley-Davidson. I guess it's true that somebody always has to be the worst. This is the inside of a master cylinder cover on the front of a touring bike. It's come to us from New York. And believe it or not, this is the way that it came in. Believe it or not, despite the fact that you can't see any brake fluid in there, that doesn't appear to be any liquid, somehow this brake still operated. But you can imagine that the inside of the line, the inside of the caliper, the inside of every piece of this system has the same chunky, hard, crusty bits of stuff in there. And that for however long it's worked, it's not going to work much longer. So really what we're looking at here is a situation where the right answer is, man, you got to replace everything. So remember, you don't have but two wheels in one life. Be careful out there. Take good care of your equipment and it'll take good care of you. Better to spend a little bit of money on a brake flush every couple of years than get into a situation like this where everything's junk, everything's bad, it all needs to be replaced. Take care.